Hi outdoor enthusiasts, if you have Georgia on your mind, let me show you our luxury Surveyor by Forest River. It's 25 feet long, a 2020 model, 2 entry doors, a nice big awning for the rainy nights of Georgia, and the sun scorching down in the summertime. We have a kitchen complete with grill, sink, and refrigerator. This unit is pet friendly, has solar charge capability, and electric stabilizers. This is a front-end kitchen model. So as you enter, you have your living quarters on the left and your kitchen on the right. It's an oversized fridge and freezer, microwave, gas stove, and gas oven. So when you're walking back to Georgia from the Appalachian Trail, it's the perfect place to bake your peach cobbler. Complete with the electrical fuses at the door, 39-inch TV screen, a lot of storage, cloak closet, storage for anything you may need to take with you to travel, and a very comfy couch and sitting area that can double as a pull-out bed. We have dual sliding doors on the way to the lavatory area, a very tall shower region, and a nice and handy sink with plenty of room for a medicine cabinet. The bedroom quarters have large closets, an upgraded Serta queen mattress, and 3 windows that let the sun shine in wherever you want to go. The back of the unit is complete with a storage facility that we added to it. A lot of people will put bikes there or other type of things, but we found storage is the most important because we have a way to dry camp for at least 2 to 3 days with our dual Honda EU 2000 generators and a 6-gallon gas storage facility. Also, I'll throw into the project this Easy Lift Recurve 1000 stabilizer. So there you have it, folks. For $23,999, this unit could be yours. Please contact us at your earliest convenience.